morning, how are you? Today we'll study family and friends. Workbook Unit 7, Lesson 5 and 6. Let's start. Look at this picture. It's about a lifeguard. A lifeguard means a person who works at a beach or swimming pool to rescue people who are in danger in the water. Rescue means to save someone from harm or danger. And look at this picture. It's about volunteer. A volunteer means a person who does a job but doesn't get any money for it. Next. And this picture is about a crew. A crew means a team of people who work together. Look at this picture. It's about a coast guard. A coast guard means the emergency service which watches the sea and rescues boats. Now we will study Workbook Unit 7, Lesson 5. Let's start. The Royal National Lifeboat Institution, RNLI, is a charity that looks after people in the sea around the UK and Ireland. The RNLI has more than 300 lifeboats and works on more than 100 beaches. The lifeboats can travel very fast and have lots of first aid equipment on them. Last year, they rescued over 10,000 people who were in danger at sea. Rescue means to save someone from harm or danger. Now, look at this question. What is the RNLI? The RNLI is the Royal National Lifeboat Institution. It's a charity that looks after people in the sea around the UK and Ireland. Next, the RNLI lifeguards work on Britain's beaches. They watch the beaches and make sure everyone can enjoy them safely. Sometimes they use special cars to travel faster. The RNLI trains the lifeguards to give first aid and to rescue people who are in danger. They also give people information about how to stay safe on the beach. Now, where do the RNLI lifeguards work? RNLI lifeguards work on Britain's beaches. They watch the beaches and make sure everyone can enjoy them safely. Number two, what does the RNLI do? The RNLI trains the lifeguards to give first aid and to rescue people who are in danger. They also give people information about how to stay safe on the beach. If a boat gets into a dangerous situation at sea, the RNLI sends a lifeboat out to help them. RNLI crew are all volunteers. They are normal people with jobs. But when the alarm goes, they stop what they are doing to go and help people in danger. If a boat is lost at sea, they work with the Coast Guard to find it. Now, what do you know about the crew of the RNLI? RNLI crew are all volunteers. They are normal people with jobs, but when the alarm goes, they stop what they are doing to go and help people in danger. If a boat is lost at sea, they work with the Coast Guard to find it. Next, the RNLI flood teams go all over the world to help people in places where there have been big floods. They use their special boats to go to sites that other organizations cannot go to and get people out of danger. Now, how do the RNLI flood teams help people? The RNLI flood teams go over the world to help people in places where there have been big floods. They use their special boats to go to sites that other organizations cannot go to and get people out of danger. Now, open your workbook to answer some questions together. Unit 7, page 62. Look at exercise number 2. Read again and correct the words in bold. Number 1 is done for you. The RNLI works to keep people safe in the mountains. Mountains is wrong. The right is C. Yes. Number 2, last month they rescued over 10,000 people. Month is wrong. The right is year. Very good. Number 3, lifeguards work on roads around Britain. Roads is wrong. The right is beaches. Number 4, they give first aid and make sure people are crowded on the beaches. Crowded is wrong. The right is safe. Number 5, the RNLI sends an ambulance to help people in danger on the sea. An ambulance is wrong. The right is a lifeboat. Number 6, the RNLI flood teams work all over the country. Very good. The country is wrong. The right is world. Excellent. Now go to page 63. Exercise number 1. Complete the sentences. We have hoses, floods, rescues, accidents, breathing apparatus. Check. Number 1 is done for you. When there are floods, the RNLI and the fire brigade both help people in danger. Number 2, firemen sometimes have to wear, right, breathing apparatus. Very good. Number 3, they use space to pour water over fires. Excellent. Hoses. Number 4, when there is any space, the RNLI or firefighters have to come immediately. Excellent. When there is an accident. Number 5, they have to space if anyone needs first aid. Very good. They have to check. Number 6, the RNLI space thousands of people from the sea every year. Right? The RNLI rescues. Very good. Now go to exercise number 2. Match the words from page 62 to the definitions. We have lifeguard, volunteer, crew, coast guard. Number 1 is done for you. Lifeguard, noun, a person who works at a beach or a swimming pool to rescue people who are in danger in the water. Number 2, noun, a team of people who work together, right? Crew. So crew means a team of people who work together. Excellent. Number 3, noun, a person who does a job but doesn't get any money for it. Yes, right? Volunteer. Yes. So volunteer means a person who does a job but doesn't get any money for it. Number 4, space noun, the emergency service, which watches the sea and rescues boats. Very good. Coast guard. So coast guard means the emergency service, which watches the sea and rescues boats. Now go to exercise number 3. Complete the text. Write the letters in the correct order. Meet a crew member. Hi, I am Isabel and I am a volunteer with the RNLI. I started working on the beach as a very good lifeguard. But then I joined the crew, excellent, who go out in the lifeboat. We go out to rescue boats at sea. We get a lot of information from the excellent Coast Guard. Two, we need to get to the site. Very good. Of the accident as quickly as possible because people are in danger. I'm not scared because the RNLI, very good, trains us for all kinds of situations. With this question, we have finished. Thank you for your listening and goodbye. Bye bye.